In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test subject lines in MailerLite. If you've ever wondered how to quickly learn which subject line gets more opens, this walkthrough will get you set up with a clean, reliable test in just a few clicks. Start by heading to your MailerLite dashboard and opening the Campaigns tab. This is your starting point for anything you plan to send. Click Create Campaign to begin. You'll see options for different campaign formats. Since we want to compare two subject lines, choose the A/B split campaign type. This tells MailerLite you're running an experiment, and it sets up the framework to send version A to a portion of your audience and version B to another portion for a fair comparison. Next, in the campaign details section, you'll be asked what element you want to test. Select email subject. MailerLite can test other elements too, but focusing on the subject line helps you isolate the impact on open rates, which is often the fastest win in email performance. You'll now see two fields labeled Subject A and Subject B. Enter your two variations here. Aim for clear, concise lines that express a benefit or create curiosity without being vague. Keep them under about 50 characters when possible so they don't get cut off on mobile. If it fits your brand, try small contrasts, such as question versus statement, emoji versus no emoji, or specificity versus broader appeal. Avoid spammy words and excessive punctuation, as those can hurt deliverability. If you use personalization, make sure your subscriber data is complete and accurate so the test remains fair. Finally, choose who will receive the test by selecting your recipients. Pick the group or segment you want to target, making sure it's relevant to your message. MailerLite requires at least 4 subscribers to run an A/B test, but for meaningful results, a larger, well-defined segment is best. Try to keep the audience consistent, one list or segment per test, so differences in engagement aren't caused by mixed subscriber types. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to confirm that your segment is clean and active, with bounced or inactive addresses removed so your open rate insights reflect real behavior. That's it. You've created a campaign, chosen the A/B split type, selected email subject as your variable, written 2 subject line variations, and picked the right recipients to receive them. With those steps complete, you're ready to let the data show which line earns more opens and gives your next send a stronger start.